In many places, you might celebrate a birthday with a cake, but in Korea, you celebrate with a Miyeok-gug, a seaweed soup. But there's a twist. You don't just eat it because it's tasty, you eat it to honor your mother. Because your mother ate this soup for weeks after giving birth to you, eating it on your birthday is a way of saying, Mom, I remember the pain you went through to bring me into this world, and I'm grateful for your care. So even though it's your birthday, the soup is a symbolic tribute to her sacrifice. It connects your birthday back to her recovery days. Miyeok-gug is a nutritional powerhouse packed with iodine for thyroid health, calcium for strong bones, and iron to prevent anemia. It helps with the detoxification due to its soluble fibers and is culturally revered as the ultimate recovery food for mothers after childbirth to replenish lost nutrients.